everyone, welcome back. It was a beautiful day, but it's quite windy. Sometimes it gusty. I'm sorry if the audio is noisy because I'm not wearing microphone at the moment. I thought that I can get away with it, so we'll see. In this video, I want to report several containers of my roses that I bought from Wagner Rose last year, and they are still staying in middle size container. So I want to report them, and we am in mid late winter, so it's really good time to report or transplant the plants of the roses. I think I still want to transplant some of my roses, but maybe not in this video. Today I want to report two of that rose bush, and I want to plant some lily bulbs as well. I got some from Bunnings the other day and a rose bush as well. Okay, let me turn the camera out and I can show you what I got. Okay, so I got few container over here. Two actually, they are in kind of middle size container, and this container I think my friend she gave me. She didn't need them anymore, and then I planted two rose in this container. One is called Armenian Guinos. This one I bought last year as bare rooted from Wagner Rose. And after a year, you could see that the plants of the rose bush haven't grown much, right? And of course, the cane is getting bigger, but I could see that last year the cane were quite small, and I do want to repot it into larger container, like a plastic container over here. I went to Bunnings today, but I forgot to get some more container. Anyway, let's see what I can find. But I do want to repot these two, and this one is called, what is it, the Governor Wife. This is the same, bought from Wagner Rose at bare rooted last year. This both varieties, they are beautiful. I honestly, maybe I prefer the Governor Wife because it got lovely scent, and I love the formation of the petals, and I love the bi-color. I think the three color different for the bloom of this variety. Anyway, so I think I need to find the container for those, and come over here. A lot of mess. Let me show you. Here, the area under the arbor, I put a lot of rose container under it. It's beautiful though, but also it does have a little shade in the summer, in the hot afternoon. So the rose, they last a little bit longer as well. Okay, over here, I want to show you. These are the things that I want to plant today. Or this row, I want to repot it. This is patio rose. It's one called Dragon King. Now this one, it got like lovely pink or salmon pink color, and the dragon is beautiful. It's very strong. And this one on the top is like it grow around 40 to 70 centimeter high. And I hope that I can put it in the container where I put it in the sunny area, and I can enjoy the area that I've often walk around, and I can enjoy the gorgeous fragrance from this, and it seems it's very healthy. So let's put it aside. And I got three different kinds of the lilies in here. These are the double lilies bulb, and this one I think is more than single, look like this. I got, I think, one variety of the orange color, but I haven't had this one. This one doesn't have a scent though. It doesn't seem mention anything about the scent. But the double variety over here, they say that fragrance, so that means they could have lovely scent. I do have I think maybe two different different other variety of the double pink color. I think I've been through the picture on the screen, but they look a little bit similar, but when we look a little bit closer, and they you can notice the difference. But anyway, I do love the double lilies, and I don't mind to get maybe one or two. So this one, example, one bag of it, you got only one bulb, so that is okay. So, and I love this, the spotty on the petal like this. It's beautiful. And I got one variety, the petal look quite similar, but anyway, I got this, and the name is different, of course. And this one I got one big bulb. Yeah, only one big bulb from this one as well. This one I got two little ones. two little bulbs on the back, so that's okay. But you know they multiply quite quickly after a few years. So if you got a lot of money, buy few more, then you got like big how to say, big dramatic display or beautiful display. But for me, I got a lot of other varieties, so I don't mind waiting for them to multiply because they're quite expensive. Example, $10 for only one bulb, so they're quite expensive. Right, anyway, let me just get this guy done. Oh, by the way, when you plant lily bulb, you should choose the location quite sunny, about 6 or 8 hours of direct sunlight, and plant it about 10 centimeter deep, and with the pointy facing up. Let me open this one, and I can show you. Okay, example like this, you can see that down here is the root. So of course this one is facing down, and the pointy one here on the top is facing up. And when you buying the the bare rooted or the bulb like this, always just look through the back if you can, and you feel it as well if any soft around the bulb or not, or because sometimes if they leave it too long and they dry out, and sometimes maybe it's too wet, it gets rotten as well. So it's good idea to look around, and if you see any foam or feel it and any rotten bit, and you can guessing it, because you don't want to bring it home and it got rotten and shrivel if they are too dry out. Alright guys, let me walk through with you. So it took me, I don't know, 2 hours. Yeah, it gets cold and dark actually. So first of the container of the miniature rose, I reported in this terracotta container. Yeah, I hope that this rose can stay here at least for 2 years. I do have some other miniature roses as well. They are on this side in the middle of the garden or the yard here. And I got this guy from Bunnings, but I think they are much more smaller than the Falconville King. But this one a little bit bigger, and this one I already reported once, I mean last year. And this one I got it for 3 years already, by the way. And I think this one still grow a little bit bigger than the one I just showed you just there. So anyway, after 2 years I can report it. And this rose over here is quite large terracotta container. This one around 50 centimeter width, and this is the governor wipes. So before I try to repot it in the plastic container. Let's come over here, I show you. So I couldn't fit in that container, and then I just put it in this here, and I will trim it down a little bit, maybe another week or so, because I'm afraid that we will still have a heavy frost in the next few weeks, and I just don't want to, to expose all the new shoot out yet. Right, maybe I just come over and show you some of the lily bulbs that I just planted as well. So yeah, I just planted like one of the pink one here. Well, which one I planted there? Yeah, that's the pink one I planted there. The other two orange bulbs, I think one planted here, and one the color there, and the other double pink is just behind the robust there. It's just there. So I know in the future they just around here somewhere. Yeah, let me show you. So anyway, I show you this as well. So in the future I will, I can come back to watch this video and I can remember where they are. So this one just behind the robust one here, and this one is called the National Pride Rose. Yeah, National Pride Rose. It's a beautiful scented white blooms. All right, let's come to the other side. I want to show you the other rose container that I'm repotted. Oh, by the way, some of my new roses I just showed you the other day, I carry them out here because, my parents-in-law, they are here, and my father helping me just try to fix the grapevine lattice over there, the frame there. So I just carry the new plants out here so he can have some room to work in that area. But I'm afraid that I might have to bring these plants maybe under cover somewhere, or put it somewhere more protected, because this I think you can shiver by the frost. I think because that area I know it got protected a little bit by the all the bushes and the hangover on the top of it. Yeah, so far they haven't got damaged at all, even though yesterday we got very heavy frost. Alright, so I repotted the rose, and this one, oh, where's the task? Oh, it fell up somewhere. Oh, here you see. Okay, here got the Armenian Gunot. So this one I just repotted in the kite bluish container over here. This container, and I line up with the other bluish container as well. And this is the same one, or not the same variety, but the same type of rose that I got from Wagner Rose. This one Fiona Wish. This one is beautiful rose. But yeah, honestly, I don't feel like I don't feel like I want to order for roses more from Wagner Rose, because they often sending out a lot of very tiny little cans. So even like after a year growing in my yard or in container of my garden, and the plant still small, it doesn't look as big like some other rose grown. Okay, but anyway, the plant still alive and still have a multiple stem. You can see a lot of stem there, but I just feel that it needs to be quick. And you can see the grafting area over here, it doesn't seem like big and look like lightful like some other roses. Let me show you example. This one I got at Cholo Road. You can see all the grafting area, it look very much like alive, not like dead around that crown area. So this one has a lot of chance that they can produce more shoot in the future. But that's one, the dead area over here of the Fiona Wish, you could see that I don't think it will produce much of the water shoot down here. We'll see. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I think. And hopefully, yeah, this one can go a little bit bigger as well. It doesn't look too bad, but again, I feel that it's quite small. And to compare other company, why not to order from this company? And you got very tiny stem. I did it because last year, because a lot of roses they don't have from the other company. Yeah, so anyway, I just once or twice. I think that's enough for me. So for the roses container, I just use premium potting mix. I just use what is it? The brand from Bunnings, Osmos Coat, the orange bags. Yeah, I did not have a chance to go to the other nursery or the other places to get the other brand, the Martin brand. Yeah, for me, those I still feel Martin brand better. They got the better mix and they got more fertilizer in there than the Osmos Coat. Yeah. Anyway, my parents in-law here, so I will ask my mother-in-law help me to go to other store to get a lot of potting mix because you know my new roses they will be shipped very soon. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you, and yeah, I didn't think that I would order that amount this year to considering I already have a lot of the roses. Anyway, I don't know where to put them yet. I just try to squeeze them just somewhere in the garden. Yeah, anyway, that is for the video today. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it and see you next video. Bye bye.